Welcome to Sam Livecast. Today's a bit of a cheat. I mean, many days are a bit of a cheat. But here's how today went. I went to the supermarket to buy some things for something else I had to shoot. And I came across these.
Oh, we love those.
We love chicken tenders. Oh my God, do we love chicken tenders. So here's what we're doing with them. We're gonna take some butter. And you kind of need like a decent amount. Like this. And then you start it melting.
Easy enough.
So far, so good? I'm missing something. Back up. Sorry. Frank's Red Hot.
Oh yeah.
The original. Oh wow, this is gonna be 2 days. Hold on. Let's just do that. Okay. We got about equal parts butter, Frank's Red Hot, and some honey.
Nice. Sweet and spicy action.
Oh, geez. Could this be any slower? So a couple tablespoons of honey. Oh, what a pain in the ass this is. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Let's help this a bit. Like this. We break them. Oh, boy, the smell of butter melting with Frank's Red Hot is kind of unbelievable.
Yeah.
And then the honey's just going to add that little extra component. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Ah, there we go. And so what we're trying to do, along with melting this, is, let me just find the right one. I've got 3 in here. Fine, I ate one in the car.
Oh.
After I bought them in the store. I don't do that very often, but let's use this guy. This guy?
That's not part of your diet.
It's not part of my diet. Let's use this big guy, okay? Watch. So this guy's just gonna go right in here.
Wow.
And what's the point of that, Max?
Heat changes things?
Oh, well, you can heat the guy up, but also
flavor,
these
yeah.
flavors are gonna, oh God, that's hot. But also the flavor is gonna live in here now, okay? All right. Just let that do its thing there. Let's get rid of this. Let's take these guys. What's this?
Cabbage.
Lettuce.
Lettuce, sorry.
Don't look yet. Not ready. Shit. I know my timer just went off telling me something's ready.
What could it be?
I don't know what it could be. But I just looked, it's not. I need like 2 minutes. So hold off for 2 minutes and then come back, okay? Back up. Mayo. Not much, but there's enough. Okay, in here,
Oh yeah.
biscuits. Which one? This guy?
God.
Ow. So, because you open them up like that. I don't know what you do. But here, look, watch. I can do this. I want a little sauce on here, so mayo. Wow, look how gorgeous this is. It's just been sitting and you can smell it. Just sitting in here. But so I want a little bit of this to make it just a little bit gooey. Oh boy, I shouldn't go too far. Crunchy lettuce, cool crunchy lettuce, right? Warm biscuit, spicy chicken. Oh, for God's sake, I knew this was gonna happen. I knew it. No, I didn't. And then that. And here we go. I don't know where to bite. This gooey sauce down here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ingredients, I guess. Still not a lot. Crap. Okay. I didn't make my own biscuits. I didn't make the chicken. It's pretty gosh darn good. It's like a last minute. This could be like a last minute late night. Keep the tenders in the fridge. Bust this stuff out. I mean, you can keep a can of these biscuits around. Come on. Wow. Thanks for hanging out. You want to make this. You got to make this. You should make this. Thanks for watching the live cast. I'll see you. It's spicy too, but the little honey is really good.